Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video we are going to understand soup serving problem, right? This is a very important problem on, you can say, dynamic programming, right? So if you understand the concept, it will be very easy for you, right? Let's begin from here. What we have given two soup. We have given A and B, and it's starting with NML. Okay, so you know the soup, right? We used to drink in a snack, right? So we can say we have two soup A and B we have given, and each having uh, starting ml is nml. Okay, that we will have given in the program. Okay, so if you understand the example, we have given the n like this is the 50 ml we have given, and some operation we will apply and we return the output. So for the question saying that on every turn, because we have two soup A and B, so on every turn one of the following four serving options is chosen at random. What are the options that we have given? So these are the turns we have given, right? And based on this, there are some operations we can call those are the operations we have that will be performed. It's very first, it is saying on every turn, right? What are the turns are there? Let's understand. Okay, so one of the following four serving operations is chosen at random. Okay, and each with the probability 0.25 independent of all the previous turn. What are the turns are there? Let's suppose very first operation is we will pour 100 ml from A and 0 ml from type B. So if soup A we have, right, and we want to pour A somewhere, right? Let's suppose in a glass or somewhere, right? We will do the serving. So after the serving, right, we have to pour from A 100 ml and B will be 0. Similarly, 75 for A and 25 for B. Then again 50 ml from A and 50 ml from B. 25 ml from A and 75 ml from B. You will say, what about if we have 0 ml from A and 100 ml from B? So it is saying no, there is no operation that we have to pour 0 ml from A. Means there is no operations we have given that 0 ml from A and 100 ml from B. It is not available. Means this operation is not allowed. The amount from A and B are poured simultaneously during the turn. Okay, but it is saying amount from A and B are poured simultaneously during the turns. Okay, if an operation asks you to pour more than you have left of the soup, right, pour all the remaining of the soup, and process stops immediately after any turn in which one of the soup is used up. Okay, then it is saying we have to return the probability of A is used up before B. So what is the probability of A that is used before B that we have to return? Plus half of the probability that both soup are used in the same turn. Correct? Means first return the probability of A that is used before B plus half of the probability that both soup end up in the same turn. Answer is coming more, you just take 10 to the power minus 5 as actual answer, which will be accepted. Okay, so for example, you pause these examples and you can read this example. Okay, I'll explain it, don't worry. Okay, and this is the constant we have given, 10 to the power 9. Okay, so I'll show you. So okay, give me 1 second. So very first, what we have given, we have two soups we have given. Let's suppose the soup we have given is A and B. Can we say that? And each having how much ml? N ml we have for this and ml for this. The two soup we have given soup A and soup B, right? And both have a starting ml is how much? How many ml? N ml we have given, right? So on each turn, we randomly pick one of the four operations with equal probability. That means if I'll say there is one operations, let's suppose if I'll say this is an operation, this operation 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the four operations we have given, where it is saying on every turn or on each turn, right, we randomly pick one of the four operations, right? One of these four operations we will pick. Either we'll pick this one, this one, this one, or this one. Any of these operations you can take randomly. First step, you have to understand the questions. If you will not understand the question, it will be tough for you, right? Any questions, just try to simplify it, right? Very first, what it is saying, we have given two soup A and soup B, right? And initially the it is having the n ml is a we have given, right? And on every turn, right, on every each and every turn, right, we can pick any of these. Either we'll pick a 1 2 3 and 4, any of these four operation. One of these four operation will pick. The chances are where 1 by 4 to choose. Can we say that? Just not I'm writing mathematically, just I'm saying, right? So either you will choose one, either you will choose two, either you will choose three on any on in each turn. Either let's suppose a having turn, a can choose one, a can choose two, a can choose three, a can choose four. It is not that in the order like first operation one will happen, then two will happen. No, no, right? It's his mindset, like, or luck that he is going to use which operations. Okay, then we have B. Similarly, A and B we have, right? So let's suppose for A, let's suppose he is going to choose the very first operation. What is happening in the very first operations? 100 ml. So you understand the randomly how he is going to choose, right? He in each turn what will happen? Uh, Either one of the on one of the four operations, right? We will choose for A and B, right? Let's suppose for this one we are using 100 ml. 100, sorry, it is ml, right? For A. For B, what are you using? 0 ml. For the operations 1, if anyone using the operation 1, from A it will use 100 ml and B it has to use 0 ml. Sorry, sorry guys. Then we have operation 2, we have is to 75 ml. Okay, so very first 75 ml and then minus 25 ml. Can we see that? Now for 3, what we have to use? We have to use 50 ml and here it was used to 50 ml, correct? And for the fourth we will use 25 ml and 75 ml. Only these operations we are allowed. Other than these operations it is not allowed as per the question it is saying. Okay, I hope you understand. Very first, on each turn we will use randomly any of these four operations. If we are choosing one operation, it means 100 ml from A and 0 ml from B. If you are using operation 2, you will use 75 ml from A and 25 ml from B. If you are using three operations, 50 50 and 4, then 25 75. I hope you understand. If you don't have enough ml left to pour, right, just pour what you can, right? Let's suppose if 30 ml left, just for understanding, if only 30 ml we have left for who? A, okay, and you are asked to pour 75 ml, okay, he has left over is 30 ml, but you are asked to pour 75 ml. Then what will happen? You have to pour all of this. Okay, so this is also going in the question, right? That's where it was. I saw. Yeah, here, this point. If an operation asks you to pour more than you have left of the of a soup, pour all the remaining. Okay, so you A having left is 30 ml, and you are gonna ask that pour 75 ml. It means what? Whatever left over you have, just give them, right? You don't have to keep, or you don't have to say refuse. No, you have to pour all the soup from A. I hope you understand. So this process ends as soon as either soup A or soup B runs out. Like let's suppose if it is less than equal to 0 ml, means we are done. Understand? So can we say what is our goal was there? So our goal is to return the probability, right? Soup A finishes before soup B, plus means A should be 0, B should be whatever, I don't care, right? So if soup A finishes before soup B, right, that we have to take as a probability, that called probability we'll say, okay, plus we have to take, give me 1 second, let me clean it first. What we have to return? We have to return probability of, let's suppose A should be finished before B, just for understanding I'm saying, okay, plus half 1 by 2 the probability that both finishes at the same time, A and B finishes at both time, okay. So this is the uh, probability we have to return, right? The probability that soup A finishes before B, that we have to return, plus half of the probability of A and B both finishes at the same time, at same time. Understand? So this is our goal we have given. I hope you understand the problem. If you have any doubt in the problem understanding, let me know in the comment section, guys. So as you can see, we have given one example here, right? Example one, we have given n equal to 50, and we have to return the probability. Okay, so what the question was saying, we will return the probability of A before B plus half of the probability of this that we have seen. Means if we represent what we have to return, we have to return the probability. So probability A, probability, total probability is what? The probability means A finishes first, that we have to return, plus 0.5 into probability of A and B finishes together. This is the output we have here, okay, and we have to return it. So if we'll say, let's suppose n is, we have given is 50, we have given n is input is 50, so we can simplify n equal to 50 in 2 units, right? If we'll do n by 2, it means what? 50 by 2 is 25, right? So because A and B we have, total A and B we have, right? So if we'll do like this, what we will get? 2 units will get, right? Because, but there is one concept is also there. If n equal to n plus 25 by 25, and not 25, 24, how many ml you will get here, right? That is a different concept with the probability that we will understand later if we are not able to solve this one, okay. N by 2 is 50 by 2 will get 25, or simple, right? If we have how many we have, so n equal to 50, and we have to convert it into 2 units, right? With the 2 units, so we'll do 50 by 2 is 25, and we say that, so each soup has 2 units. 2 units means what? 2 units means what? 25 ml per unit. Can we say that? Right? Means A is 2 and B is 2. Can we say that? We can say that. So let's understand, for 2 unit means A having 2 unit, B having 2 unit. Right? So each soup has 2 unit. Right? And 2 unit means what? 25 ml each. Can we say that? 2 units means what? 25 ml each. Are you understanding? How many? 25 ml each. Now understand, if we want to process with the 4 operations we have, right? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So very first, for the initial stage, right? We have A we have and B we have. Both initial stage is what? Is 2. Right? So from here, you have 4 operations we have. Right? Operations 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? So as we know, right, or if anybody using the operations, he can use any of these operations, right? So let's suppose a is 2 and b is 2, right? So we'll use the operation. Let's suppose we'll do 4 minus a and 0 b. Why? I want all the very first operation was what? If all we have a, we are taking 100% and b taking 0 ml, right? Means a 100 ml and b 0 ml. Remember, a and b we are taking, right? So here we'll say like this, right? If we'll divide by this, just 25 ml we have given, right? How much it will come? 4, right? We'll do 25. How much you will get? 0 will get. So just we are converting into units. Okay. So we'll take all the from A and B we are taking 0. Can we say that? Means A is what? We'll take for A initially we'll take not like this. Give me 1 second. Little up. If I'll do, then you will understand. So just think that initially what we have given, we have A is 2 and B is 2. Can we say that? Here we want to use, what we want to use here, we can say minus 4a and 0b, like that. Okay, if we are representing that, right? Because we are going to use operation 1. If operation 1 we will use, right, you can say for this one, for operation 1, what will happen? We will take this one. Means a, it was 2 was there, right? Now it is, we are taking 4, we'll do minus 4. How many it will be left? It will left minus 2. Can we say that? So A finishes. It means A finishes. Can we say that? Now understand for B. B is how many? 2. So 2 minus 0 is 2. B still has soup. Can we say that? Now understand. So can we say that? Now understand. Can we say because A finishes early, right? So it will contribute where? At here, right? I hope you understand this part. So let me clean this. So we have seen that A is finishing very first, right? So A finishes, so we'll say it will contribute here 1.0 plus 0.25 to final probability. Can we say that? 1.0 and 0.25, right? So it will contribute to the P for this one, right? Now check operation 2, where we will take it is taking 75, but we will not take this one for now. Let's take 3, 75 and 75, 50 and 50, plus 50, 50, right? 50 and 50. Okay, 50, 50. This was 25 and 25. This operation was 100 and 0. And this was 25 and 75, right? These are the operations. So now we'll take operation 3. When operation 3 will take, it means what? Minus 3a, right? Okay, no. We'll take operation 2 will take. We can take operation 2 also. Okay. We can take operation this one also. So let's suppose for this one 75 by 25 is 3, right? It will 3a minus 3a minus 1b. Okay, we can say that. So if anybody is taking operation 2 now, what will happen here? A will become what? It was 2, right? A equal to 2 will take minus 3 will get minus 1. Means A again finishes, right? For B, what will happen? 2 minus 1 is 1. Still left, not finished. So it will contribute again where? At here. It will take 1.0 plus 0.25 again. Next, let's suppose we'll go here, right? So it is 50 50, both we have 50 50. So this time it is 50 means 2a and 2b, right? Like that we can say. Okay, when we'll take 50 50 means what will be the a will be there. So a is 2 minus 2, it is 0. Still it is finishing, right? Let's talk about the b. How much b will happen? So b is 2 minus 2, it is got 0. Both finishes together, right? So this time it will become what? 0.5 contribution plus 0.25 contribution. Can we say that? So total it will become what? 1.25. Can we say that? So so here we have taken 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So it is finishing first, become 1. Okay. So here we have did mistake. It will give the what? 0.25. 0.25, you have to multiply this one, right, into this one. So it has to be multiplied, right? Because a contributed first, right? A contributed first means we'll take 1.0 and then we'll multiply by 0.25, right? Similarly, we'll take multiply, right? We have to multiply 1.0 plus 0.25 because we are doing 0.5, right? With 0.5, we have not counted that, so we have to take that. Okay, like that we will do. Similarly, we'll do for 25, right? So here it was minus 1a and minus 3b, right? Similarly, what will happen here? A is 2 minus 1 is 1 left, not finished. B is 2 minus 3 is minus 1, so B finishes first.